Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Pinch to zoom feature, right? So let's go to the YouTube here and make sure that you have updated the app, right? So if you haven't, just then go to the Play Store or App Store and update the app right now as soon as possible, okay? And for your example, let me just play any of the videos. So let's say if I want to play this video, right? So we will just click hold till the ad just goes up. Now the video is already on, so let me just make it full screen. And after that, if you want to zoom it, just you have to use your two fingers and you have to do like this, right? So here you can see that there will be a number which will showing the zoom number, and after that you can set according to you, and after that you can play the video, right? So if I just make it this much zoom and if I just play the
कि
video,
दोनों की कॉस्ट
it will just
ऑलमोस्ट
play
सेम है
in
सो
the
आपको
same
55
size,
से
right? So
60,000
this
के
is
प्राइस
pretty
पे
easy,
डिसीजन
guys.
लेना
I
थोड़ा
hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.